So we're lighting these TNT sparklers tonight because this little girl was anxiously awaiting. I don't know if Daddy can get them out.
Silly Daddy.
You want to hold it while I light it?
No.
You want to try?
No.
Here, hold it.
I might.
Just hold it at the end. Daddy will just hold it still.
See?
Just trying to.
Okay.
I just can't do it.
Watch yourself. Alright, don't touch the hot part.
Welcome to Maddie's Fun Channel. Please subscribe.
I will be back.
Okay.
20 minutes.
Okay.
Oh.
Can you draw something cool?
Yeah.
What are you drawing?
Try to guess.
Alright. Mickey Mouse.
Nope.
Minnie Mouse.
Nope.
A tree.
Nope.
Uh,
Look what my sparkle was. I found that.
are you writing your name?
Let's go. Let's go. Oh, look, it goes up, down, down. Up, down, down.
Hill?
Nope.
I give up. What was it?
It was a heart.
A heart? Let's see if all the kids watching at home can guess. Alright, you gotta draw
Okay.
the picture, okay?
Okay.
So now you can comment.
Down
In the
below.
comment.
Let's see if you can guess.
Yes.
See if you can guess what she's drawing. Her sparkler.
Oop, oop,
Oh.
oop, sorry.
There you go.
Violet.
Over here.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, draw something.
And that's a hard one. I'm having trouble.
Yeah, that is a hard one. I don't know if anybody will be able to guess that one.
Why not going?
She gave a hint if you could hear the whisper from far away.
Guys.
You can
right.
comment below and then we'll let you know what it is
We'll let you know in the next video
in the next
if you won.
Uh-huh.
So that will be the one we guess. This one we'll just guess for Mommy and Daddy.
Yeah.
See if we can guess it. But that was the one where everybody else has to guess, and
Yes.
whoever wins, we'll shout their name out in the next video, right?
Yes. Everyone will shout their name out. See who is the winner. Dun, dun, big crazy goddess.
Looks like a rainbow.
That's what I was going to say. A rainbow?
Nope.
A house?
Nope.
A basketball?
Nope.
A car?
Nope. See, it's going.
That looks like a rainbow.
A swing?
What?
A swing?
Nope.
A bridge?
Teeter-totter?
No.
I don't know. What is it?
It's a hill.
A hill?
Oh, a hill. Okay.
Do you want to try to guess one that Daddy draws now?
Yes.
All right, you come over here and sit.
Okay.
Daddy's turn.
All right, here we go.
Oh.
Ready?
A roller
I'm just I'm drawing the same thing over and over.
Oh, I see it. You get it?
A roller coaster?
Not a roller coaster.
It's one of your favorite shapes, Maddie.
A heart.
Yep, I drew a heart around you for
Aww.
my baby girl. It's important not to touch these because these look very hot. This one burned forever.